Itu skip nukina sabide amahan kini ekdam bhal example ase. Itu chukra bohigina ase. Itu ke gari aina alak pratai ke mari dia nai. Itu ekbar sai lobo.
God saved this man's life. A car came flying down the sidewalk, yet this man was able to jump out of the way. And many people will say that wasn't God, but look how this man gets on his knees and immediately begins to thank.
Itu ba aman ki hikibla asgole sabe. Gari aina ta ki alop ba mari dia nai. Huli bidu chukra do gari la piche de driver ke mari bo nimire gussa hoigina tai gari la piche de tai bola nai. Huli bi tai kneel down hoigina Ishwar ke thanks dia. Kneel down hoina Ishwar ke dhanyabad dia. To moi problem mon jado ki situation holi bi amakan biya holi bi bhal holi bi amakan Ishwar ke dhanyabad digina Ishwar ke thanks digina amana life to amakan julibo lagi amana life to thakibo lagi kile every resource amana life ki sob ase sob Ishwar la resource ase Ishwar ba tiala ase Ishwar ke dhanyabad every minute every second digina thakibo lagi koina sob ke etu janai dia ase.